Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google account security feature lock on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and this is a device that does indeed have the Google account lock enabled, because as we can see here, as we're going through the setup steps, we get to the screen that tells us that the device was reset, and to continue, we have to sign in with a Google account that was previously on the device. And that's basically exactly what the Google lock consists of. Google added it as a security measure back in about Android 5 or so to help combat some of the theft and fraud that happens around the buying and selling of used mobile devices these days. So when an Android device is factory reset without first taking off the Google account that's on it, it's then going to ask you to log into that account again as a security measure after the factory reset has been performed. So we've been contacted by tons of customers asking us to assist them with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information, or because they were sold the device by a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the lock was enabled, and then obviously after the purchase, the buyer didn't have the email and password to be able to get into it, and the seller had long since disappeared. It's unfortunately a very common scam that happens these days when it comes to buying and selling Android devices. So we're making this video to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to remove this type of lock from this exact same model and without having the previous Google account's login information. It's actually something that we do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer, and that's actually exactly what we're doing here right now, so everyone can plainly see the before and after, proving that we can indeed do it. The great thing about this procedure is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world, so you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect directly to your computer through the internet and perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right here, right now. Now, the unlock program here that removes it for us just needs another minute or so to finish up running, so I'm going to go ahead and just fast forward the rest of the video so we can try to keep that as short as possible. Okay, so our unlock program has finished running. We are good to go. We are just going to restart the device once, and then we should be able to see that we can get all the way through the setup process without seeing that lock. Okay, we are back here at the setup screen, so we're just going to start going through everything step by step here. And let's go. We're going to agree to the terms and conditions and keep going. We don't need Wi-Fi, so we can just skip that. We don't need to activate the device, so we can skip out of that. Skip anyway. We don't need to copy any apps and data. Skip through the Google services. We don't need a screen lock. And these are all very good signs because we previously could never reach any of these specific steps in the setup process without seeing the Google lock on there. So that's a very good indication that it is indeed removed, and once I tap finish there, we should see that, yep, there we go. We've got our home screen loading up. We have full access to all of the apps and settings and features, and this is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. I'm going to jump into the settings just to confirm and show you exactly what we are working with here. So under About Phone, we can indeed see that we have a Note 20 Ultra, and of course it's a 5G model, and then that model number there, the SM-N986U. That's the model number of all of the US versions of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, no matter which carrier it originally came from. So, I should mention also that this is something that can be done for the regular Note 20 as well, as they are essentially the same model, just with the Ultra having a little bit bigger screen and bigger battery. So if you have a Galaxy Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra and need help getting the Google lock removed from it, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of the details there as well. Make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel while you're here, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different models, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.